पूर्णचंद्र।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण 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 नारायण
Okay, thank you ji. Thank you Purnachandra ji. We had done till 5th one or 6th one?
No, madam. Who completed?
Pardon me?
13th completed, ma'am.
Oh, okay. We had completed the 13th one. Huh? Okay. Okay, we'll do the 14th chanting today because already it's a very short class. So we'll do the chanting today. Okay, right. You remember that Kalyatam, that tune? So this will be with the same thing. Okay. The 14th Dashakam is about the Kapila Avatara. Okay. Who will say, ma? First, Ambuliji.
Ambuli is again.
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः
समनु पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
समनु पंकज संभवांग जन्मा समनु पंकज संभवांग जन्मा.
We'll tell the whole line. समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनु पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनु पंकज संभवांग जन्मा. समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा அடியேன்
சாரி
சேர்க்கணும் இல்லையா?
அந்த ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து ரெண்டு சேர்த்து சொல்லு.
அடியேன் சேர்த்தாச்சு.
நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம்
நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம் நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம்
சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய
சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய
நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம் சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய
நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம் சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய நிஜமந்தரமந்தராய ஹீனம் சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய.
Very nice. Now all the lines together.
அடியன் செவிக்கிறமா?
Yeah, no problem. சொல்லுங்க.
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्क्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्क्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய.
Very good. Next. Who is that?
Anita.
Tell me.
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा.
Very nice.
निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं சரிதம் தே கதயன் சுகம் நினாய.
Wonderful. Very nice. So இதுல என்னன்னா, so till Dashakam 13 we saw that பகவானுடைய அவதாரத்தை பார்த்துட்டோம். எப்படி வந்து வராக அவதாரத்துல எப்படி வந்து அவ எல்லாத்தையும் ஹிரண்யாக்ஷனுடைய வதம் எப்படி நடந்தது அப்படிங்கறத பார்த்துட்டோம். Now here we will see the incarnation of Kapila. Okay. So here how Bhagavan takes the birth as Kapila. Okay. And he actually spreads knowledge. Okay. Kapila actually spreads knowledge. So that is very important. So that is what for everybody in this earth, okay, a very important knowledge was spread by Kapila Munivar. So that avatara we are going to see. Okay. This is the Kapila avatara is what we are going to see. So here what is happening? Swayambhuva Manu. Okay. Who is the son of Brahma. Swayambhuva Manu is the son of Brahma. Okay. So he spent his own manvantara or the time. Okay. He spent his whatever time was given to you, which is called as the manvantara, very peacefully. Okay. Okay. So here what is happening? Swayambhuva Manu, who is the son of Brahma, he was very peacefully spending his time. Okay, which is called as the Manvantara. How was his time? It was all free from any kind of, problems, any kind of hindrances. There was nothing of that sort. Okay, no hindrances, no problems, no adversities, nothing. He was very peacefully, he had spent his time. And how did he spend his time? he spent his time meditating upon Bhagavan's lotus feet. Okay, just one moment. Okay, so I will continue. Right, so we'll go for the second one. No, what was it? Right. So during this time that he was spending very peacefully, he was meditating upon Bhagavan's lotus feet. Okay, and he was counting all his glories. Okay, so that is what he was doing. Okay, now we'll go to the second one. Next, Bhagyaji.
Yes, ma'am.
Samaye khalu tatra kardamakyah.
समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाह्यः समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाह्यः
द्रोहिणच्छाय भवस्ति द्रोहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा
Very nice.
द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाह्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा.
Here also Kardamakyo you can say when we are telling it quite fast or maybe together. Okay. Samaye khalu tatra kardamakyo druhinachaya bhavastadiya vacha. Okay. So that you just remember it can be yo when it is a continuous sentence. If you want to break, you can have a visargam over there. Okay. धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यम्
धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यम् धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यम्
भगवंस्तवाम्युतं समाह्निषेवे
भगवं स्वामयुतं समासिषेवे भगवं स्वमा
त्वमावयुतं समा
भगवं स्वमाययुतं समासिषेवे
Bhagavamstvamayutam nisama It can be nisheve or sisheve. Okay, don't worry about that.
Bhagavam swamayutam sama
Sisheve, make it as sisheve. Everybody, let us tell it uniformly. Okay, sisheve.
Bhagavam स्वामयुतं समासिषेवे समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाह्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा हृदसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यम् भगवं स्वामयुतं समासिषेवे.
Very nice. Next, ma. After Bhagyaji.
I'm BP.
Tell me.
Yeah. Samaye khalu tatra kardamakhyah druhinachaya bhavastadiya vacha dhruta sarkarasa nisargaramyam bhagavan swamayutam samasisevi.
Very nice. So, here what is happening at that time? Okay, now this is happening. He is very peacefully. He is doing his meditation and all. Who? Our Manu. Okay. Swayambhuva Manu is doing. At that very time, one of the Prajapati. Okay. One of the Prajapati. Prajapati is the one who is responsible for the nature. Okay. For the protection of the nature. Okay. So, he was named one of that Prajapati who was named as Kardama. Okay. this Kardama was born from the shadow of Brahma. Okay, he was born from the shadow of Brahma. He also worshipped Bhagavan. Okay, he also worshipped him. Then what did he do? He meditated upon you. Okay, following Brahma's words, keenly interested in Krishna. Okay, so now what he did, Brahma, following, yeah. So he was born from the shadow of Brahma. He was following. Brahma had given him some, kind of instructions or advice or whatever you say. He was following his words. Okay, he was following Brahma's words, and he was like he was very much interested in the creation, in the work of creation. Okay, so usually Prajapatis are that only. So he was also very interested in this creation work, and because of that, listening to Brahma's words, he started meditating upon Bhagavan. Then Nisarga Ramya Bhagavan Tvam Ayuttama Samaha. Okay, so here what he did, he was actually, Bhagavan is so ramyam, that is, so naturally he is so charming and so beautiful. Okay, so he is so beautiful, and so for 10,000 years he has been worshipping Bhagavan. Okay, so Ayuttama Samaha Sisheve. So he worshipped Bhagavan for 10,000 years. So how was Bhagavan? Bhagavan, who is very charming, who looks so beautiful, on that Bhagavan, this person, that is the Prajapati, who was named Kadarma, who was born from the shadow of Brahma, following Brahma's words, he was very much interested in the creation work. Okay, therefore he worshipped Bhagavan for 10,000 years. Okay, so that is in the second one. We'll go to the third one. Who is there, ma? Third one? Kamalaji. So, third one. Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam.
Kramam or Kamram? Last word.
Kramam. Krama.
Okay. Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam. Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam.
Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam.
Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam.
Okay. Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam.
Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. Garudopari Kalamegha Kramam. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam.
Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam. Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam.
Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam.
Hasitollasitananam. பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க அங்க. Put a mark. Okay, hasitolla, put a mark of
Hasitollasitananam vibhotvam.
Sitananam.
மியூட் பண்ணணுமா அடியன்
हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं
वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Very good.
वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय. हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Very nice.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघक्रमम् गरुडोपरि कालमेघक्रमम् विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मम्. हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Very nice. Next one. 10.
गरुडोपरिकालमेघक्रमम् विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मम् हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Now here Bhagavan's Rupam is described, the way he gave his darshan to this Kardama Prajapati. Okay, the way that form is being described here. Okay, now because Kardama Prajapati was meditating upon Bhagavan for 10,000 years. Now obviously Bhagavan will give darshan to him, right? Now he is giving the darshan. What was the form of that darshan? That is what is being described here. Garudopari. It means Bhagavan came sitting on the Garuda. He was seated on the Garuda. Okay. So his form, right. So he was seated on that Garuda, and how was his form? He looked as if it was so beautiful, like, the dark rain-bearing cloud. Okay. So he looked like that because Bhagavan is dark, is what we say, right? So he was as beautiful as the dark rain-bearing clouds. Okay, so he was sitting on Garuda, and he was as if he was a dark rain-bearing cloud, very beautiful, and he was holding a beautiful lustrous Padma, that is the lotus. He was holding the lotus in his hand, and his face was lit up with a smile. Okay, so he was so beautiful. He came on Garuda. His form was very beautiful, like the rain-bearing cloud, and he was holding a beautiful, a lustrous lotus in his hand, and his face was all lit up with a smile. Okay, so this was the form in which Bhagavan gave the darshan to him. So this form is usually very rare. Okay, he had, I think he had come in this form in that which avatara was that? For Gajendra Moksha. Yes. So in that also he had come in that Garuda form. So here also he has come in this form. Okay. So that is what it is all about. So here actually we say that Bhagavan, that is when he comes in this Garuda form, he is actually, it is said that this is the Veda Swarupa form himself. He is the Veda form himself. Okay. And so that is one of the things which I have heard, I don't know how much it is, but I have heard that this form is Bhagavan himself is Veda Swarupa only, so there is no doubt about it. But this form, especially, this is the Veda Swarupa himself who is coming. Okay, and okay, so that is what. I think I will have to wind up here today. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Can you do the Samapana shlokas?
नमामि नारायण पादपङ्कजम् करोमि नारायण भजनं सदा वदामि नारायण नामनिर्मलम् स्मरामि नारायण रूपमव्ययम् नारायण 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 कृष्ण गोविंद विलासनारं वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे विलासनारं वासुदेव कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे विलासनारं वासुदेव सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति नमः हरि ओम
Hari Om Tat Sat. We'll meet in the next class.
हरि ओम and धन्यवाद
Hari Om, Hari Om.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.